And did you know at Navtronics, we don't just do electronics? We do a lot of upfitting on boats too. So we're going to take a peek out into the building out here. You can hear a little grinding action going in the background. Customer recently purchased a Southport and it did not have a windlass. So we're going to go ahead and put a windlass in. So we'll go over there, show you the progress that's being made on getting that windlass installed on this Southport here. Right there. Let's go take a look, see what we got. All right, so we've taken the part here, we've got that all ground, and we're getting that ready to be laminated into the bow area here. So let's go ahead, let's climb up the ladder, let's see how the grinding's going. I hear him going to town up there. Let's see what we got going on. All right, so while he's down in there, we're gonna get the rest of this thing installed here, wired up, and we'll show you the finished product here soon. Stay tuned.